KTM 200 Duke Best Naked Bikes. Barefoot bikes, fast, agile, relatively comfortable to ride and, let's be honest, damn hot to look at. No wonder this segment of the motorcycle market has become rapidly popular since the turn of the century. All major motorcycle manufacturers carry bare bikes in their range. So, let's see which one stands out from the crowd and should be considered the best bare bikes. What is a naked bike? Technically, any motorcycle without hoods can be called a bare bike. In fact, what we are talking about when we say naked bike is a slightly modified sports bike with little or no caps. The term bare bike comes from the pulling out, removal of the caps, of a sports bike. In the late 1980s and early 1990s, riders with bicycles that crashed and empty wallets began riding their damaged two-wheelers. Broken plastic screens were removed and inexpensive handles that promoted a more upright riding position were installed. The addition of lights legally allowed these bikes on the streets where the remaining battle injuries were a mark of honor. These early christened street fighters became so popular that the trend of the do-it-yourself garages moved to the manufacturing floors. Ducati was the first to manufacture bare motorcycles in the factory. Their 1993 release of the Ducati Monster ushered in a new era of design. Until then, the frame and engine components of motorcycles were hidden behind the plastic. But with the unveiling of the Monster's iconic lattice stall, the beauty of the practical has become the secret weapon of the top naked bikes. Although at first it was only the appearance of the bicycles that changed, the factory production of bare motorcycles also brought about slight changes in the performance. In general, naked bikes' engines will be tuned compared to their sports bike hubs. With more torque lower down, it comes at the expense of a few miles at the end of the speedo range. These changes ensure that a bare motorcycle is more suitable for the roads and urban driving than the traditional superbikes. KTM 200 Duke. From the biggest to the smallest naked bike on our list, the KTM 200 Duke is the baby brother of the beast above. For the sake of fairness, we'll call it a baby beast. A single-cylinder engine powers a superlight design. The 6-speed gearbox pushes to unexpected top speeds while keeping tabs on the fuel consumption. In addition, the standard ABS enhances safety as well as control. If you believe that good things come in small packages, this baby beast is the best naked motorcycle for you. Key specs. Engine, 199.5 cubic centimeters. Power, 25 HP. Torque, 19.5 Nm. Transmission, 6-speed. Dry weight, 309 pounds. Seat height, 31.7 in. What is the best naked bike for? To answer this question, we must go back and consider what a naked bike is. With its origins firmly rooted in the superbike and sport bike segments of the motorcycle market, the first naked bikes were designed for performance. They are powerful, fast, and a lot of fun to ride. The perfect power-to-weight ratio makes handling easy, even for novice riders. That's if you don't jump right into one of the over 1,000 cubic centimeters machines, though, who are we to judge? Naked bikes are perfect for everyday use on city and urban trips, as well as weekends in the hills or canyon carving sessions with friends. A more upright sitting position makes this bike comfortable across disciplines. The best naked bikes are relatively light, making them easy to maneuver through traffic, or in and out of parking lots. Then, when the weekend hits, just turn the throttle for some serious fun. The naked bike is fast on the flats and balanced in corners, making it the perfect motorcycle for short trips and scenic hikes in the mountains.